Ding ding ding. Ding ding ding. It's time for the animation. Welcome. Guys, you guys didn't win the total except for two. What? The part two again? This is totally weather. It's impossible to read a part two again. Oh, looks like your time is up. 14. Yes! Yes! What? Why you will? Ah! Okay, your next talent is to make a food. Whoever makes the best food wins. Who makes the worst food we ever made. And you see this? Teams are back. Go! Wait, guys. So we won a couple of times, so we cannot lose this time. So all our times we would have made. Can we make the food already? Oh no. So I don't know my space. So if we order to win, we can make a team where it makes the dream work. Can we make a food? I'm asking you. Anyways, I use the redesign much better. This is so embarrassing. But anyways, guys, we can make a hot dog. Dang it! They just stole our idea from us. That's okay. We're gonna make it. Hey! What the fuck? What the fire? What in the name of exploding eggs? What the fire? What the funny? Holy seeps! Oh my god! Why did you vote 5? Because you can. Oh, sorry. Why did you vote? Because you didn't do much on that. So now you guys have a ruler. Great. This butter. Now we can be up for Mason and just feel upset with ourselves. What is this? Here's a butter. So pizza sponge. Oh yes. You know, I'm making the smallest pizza a half hour later. Wow, what an incredible waste of time! You are so dumb, Nine. You should have make a pizza s'mores. But that was from DOS Ace 2. Now, it was not the worst of time. Actually, it was half an hour. Okay, guys. Our hot dogs was good! Woo! Yeah, everyone knows still got hurt by the dog store, but we're like, woo! Who will be the holder? I will be the holder. And another half hour later. So, yeah, my plan still doesn't work. Okay, I keep hearing these voices on your head. Judges! Okay, I'm never gonna go with this ever in number 2. Take 2. That's the time. Okay, guys, we can win this time. If it's bad, it's just bad. Well, we won. We in off camera. We woohoos! Oh no! I have no idea what's going on. Do you know 16? But you might. No. Hey, okay. We have no idea what's going on now. Oh, really? What is it? What's happening right now? Well, the challenge is to make the best food, and we grade 1 to 10. Yeah. So what are you? So what did I just tasted? A hot dog? And what flavor is it? Ketchup? And what flavor is it? Fake? It's not fake! I'm not playing any games with you! Tell those who went out and Kanto. So it was actually poop instead of mustard ketchup. Right. We waited. Ahead. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness gracious. How dare you? It was a poop or dog. You lied to me the whole time. I thought It was. I thought it was mustard or ketchup, but you are a liar, pants on fire. You are so angry. You are so done. You guys are up for amazing. 16. You're the worst college contestant ever. Okay. I'm sorry I have to see that. Well, let's check out our thought. Oh my god! That taste is wonderful! So, odd pod win! And even Stephen Ross. What do you like my me voice about 16? Sorry about that, but voting is way back at 2 to be eliminated next. I'm furious right now. It's not 6 weeks up for me, so what is odds right here? Oh, tell the truth right now, it's not fake. Tell the truth right now, because the odds will be up for Mason. Oh, sorry about that, but voting is way back to who's been eliminated. Who will be the fake contestant will be eliminated. I am, wow. What are the chances of the 16 being eliminated? Vote for him. Vote for F. Now. Oh, happy. Oh, 1 minute later. It's May now. Yeah.